What's up guys? Today's video is about the top 5 best air fryer chicken breast of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Roast Air Fryer. Enjoy healthier cooking with an air fryer that lets you indulge in your favorite foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Featuring a wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it allows for versatile cooking options, whether you're gently dehydrating foods for snacks or using convection heat to quickly cook and crisp. The 4-quart ceramic-coated nonstick basket and crisper plate can hold up to 2 pounds of French fries, making it perfect for family meals. Preheating is recommended for 3 minutes to ensure the best results, allowing the unit to reach the desired temperature. For added convenience, the basket, crisper plate, and multi-layer rack are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The air fryer's combination of low fan speed and temperature settings also enables thorough dehydration, ideal for creating chip-like snacks. With programmable settings, it offers a user-friendly experience for a variety of cooking needs. Number 2. Emeral Legasi Air Fryer. Elevate your cooking with a versatile air fryer and multi-cooker that brings convenience and style to your kitchen. Featuring 25 cooking presets, it offers a variety of options, from air frying snacks to roasting meals for large gatherings. Whether you're baking, slow cooking, reheating, or keeping food warm, this appliance makes it easy to prepare your favorite dishes. The dual-speed fan and 360 superheated air circulation ensure perfectly golden, crispy results every time. Its sleek stainless steel exterior adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while the French doors open with a single pull, providing easy access to the interior. The built-in light allows you to monitor cooking progress effortlessly. With a spacious 26-quart capacity, this air fryer can accommodate a 6-pound rotisserie chicken or a 12-inch pizza, making it perfect for families or entertaining. Enjoy efficient and convenient cooking while impressing your guests with delicious homemade meals. Number 3. Ninja Air Fryer Pro. Enjoy crispy, delicious meals with an advanced air fryer that uses air crisp technology to cook food at 400, delivering hot, crispy results with little to no oil. The large 5-quart nonstick basket and crisper plate can accommodate up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, making it perfect for family meals. With 4-in-1 functionality, it offers versatile cooking options including air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, allowing you to prepare a wide variety of dishes. Cook frozen foods quickly for an extra crispy finish, and enjoy guilt-free fried foods with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. Designed to save space on your countertop, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen without sacrificing capacity. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the nonstick basket and crisper plate. The package includes a chef-inspired recipe book and cooking charts to get you started on your culinary journey. Number 4. Chefman Air Fryer Oven. Prepare delicious meals with an all-in-one appliance that offers 6-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, roast, or reheat your favorite dishes to crispy perfection. The stainless steel rotisserie spit ensures that your chicken comes out with a perfectly crispy skin while using a fraction of the added fat, making it a healthier choice for family dinners. With a spacious 12-quart capacity, this air fryer is perfect for cooking family-sized meals quickly and efficiently. The wide temperature range from 95,450 degrees Fahrenheit, along with rapid air heating elements, provides versatile cooking options. The new high fry feature adds an extra crunch to your favorite foods. Easily monitor your meal's progress through the extra-large viewing window and interior lights. With 12 cooking presets and a user-friendly capacitive touch control screen, anyone can whip up perfect meals in minutes. The appliance includes essential accessories like cooking racks, a rotisserie spit, a retrieval tool, and a drip tray for added convenience. Number 5. COSORI Air Fryer. Experience lightning-fast cooking with advanced turbo blaze technology that enhances efficiency, allowing you to prepare a full meal for your family in just minutes. This versatile appliance offers 9 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and more, making it an ideal alternative to traditional ovens, microwaves, and dehydrators. The 5-fan speed airflow system ensures every meal is cooked to perfection, delivering golden, crispy, and juicy results. With a spacious 6-quart capacity, it's designed to maximize cooking space while maintaining a compact footprint that won't clutter your kitchen. Enjoy up to 95% less oil for guilt-free fried foods without sacrificing taste. With over 100 app recipes featuring nutrition facts per serving, managing your dietary intake has never been easier. The customizable preheat program adjusts time based on temperature, offering flexibility for optimal cooking results or a hassle-free experience. Enjoy delicious meals with convenience and ease. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.